Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I'm excited to share some valuable tips and hacks for tackling diagram and plan labeling questions in the IELTS listening test. These type of questions can be challenging as they require both strong listening skills and the ability to interpret visual information. However, with the right strategies, you can master them and boost your listening score. Let's start the basics. Before the audio begins, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the diagram or plan. Take a moment to study it carefully. Identify any key elements or labels that are already provided and get a clear sense of overall layout. This will help you to understand the context when the audio starts. Next, pay attention to the directions. These type of a question often involve spatial cues like to the left, next to, or in front of. The speaker will use these terms to guide you through the diagram or a plan. So be ready to listen for them. Being able to interpret directions accurately is key to labeling correctly. A good trick is to look for keywords before the audio starts. Skim through the questions and underline an important words like locations, objects, or features. These keywords act as your guide and you should listen for them as you follow the speaker descriptions. One of the most important things to do is to understand the speaker flow. The speaker will usually describe the diagram or plan in logical order, perhaps from left to right, top to bottom, or clockwise. It is crucial to follow this flow so you don't get lost while labeling. Being familiar with this type of a method description will help you to stay on the track. Additionally, try to anticipate the type of information you need. For example, the speaker will mention room, names, objects, or direction, or predicting this will help you listen more effectively and quickly locate the correct answer. When you are listening, be alert for the visual clues. The speaker will often give you a specific references like above, beside, or near to help you navigate the diagram or plan. These clues are extremely helpful, so make sure you are actively listening for them. And remember, don't panic if you miss a detail. If you lose track of one piece of information, stay calm and focus on catching the next. The test will move fast, but maintaining your concentration is crucial to succeeding. One of the best ways to prepare is by practicing with the sample diagrams and plans. The more familiar you become with these type of questions, the more confident and capable you will be on the next day. Use IELTS practice material to train your mind quickly interpret visuals information alongside spoken directions. Also pay attention to spelling and legibility. If your answer is correct but your spelling is wrong, you will lose points. Make sure your writing is clear and accurate. Finally, listen for the repetitions and confirmations. Sometimes the speaker will repeat or confirm certain information. This is an opportunity to double check your answer and ensure that you are labeling the diagram of a plan correctly. In the end, I would like to say diagram and plan labeling questions in the IELTS listening test can be managed effectively with the right strategies by familiarizing yourself with the diagram, listening closely for directions, following the speaker's flow, and practicing regularly. You can significantly improve your performance. Ready to take the next step toward your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. Link is in the description and pinned comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.